Alright, so in this video I'm going to be doing a quick overview of the Ryobi electric pressure washer 1600 psi. This video won't be too into depth as to the details of it. I'm just going to be unboxing, showing the parts, as well as testing it to see how well this pressure washer works. I do want to point out that that orange nozzle sitting on the desk actually goes on the pressure washer. It's got a slot for it. You'll see in a second the empty slot. It's actually where it goes. It just came out of the slot while it was in the box. Now it's time to go test the pressure washer. As you guys may see, we have some pretty nice sunsets in Virginia. Assembling the pressure washer was pretty simple. I had a little bit of difficulty right there putting the pressure washer gun together. There was nothing wrong with it, I just had to align the pins correctly. Other than that, everything else was very simple. So I will say that the hose for the pressure washer gun felt pretty stiff, which made it kind of hard to untangle. Aside from that, it was also pretty short. It would be nice if it was a little longer. But other than that, it felt pretty strong and durable. At this point, I was beginning to get a little concerned because the pressure was very weak and I wasn't sure why. So what I did was I went back and made sure that there wasn't any bends in the hose, and then I went and tried it again a couple times, and after a couple tries I had consistent high pressure. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it down so you can hear what the pressure washer sounds like. Personally, I don't think that's too loud. Now, I do want to point out that there is a trigger lock on the water pressure gun, and that's definitely good for those long projects, so you don't have to hold the trigger the whole time. Now I'm going to be connecting the soap dispenser to the pressure washer. This was very simple. The only thing was figuring out where the connection was, but once I took a look at the manual, it told me exactly where it was. After that, I inserted the filter into the bucket. I filled the bucket with water and added some Dawn. I later realized that the blue nozzle is actually the nozzle for the soap dispenser, and it works great. It actually works wonderful for soaking your car if you want to use it for that. I'm going to be going over each nozzle and the best uses for them. This one's just no nozzle in case you just want to know what it looks like. This is a black nozzle. That one's good for concrete, brick, and masonry. It has a lot of power. And then there's the orange nozzle. Orange nozzle is best for siding, gutters, and the house. And Then there's the blue nozzle. That one's good for soaking and just things that don't require a lot of pressure. So overall, I did enjoy this Ryobi electric pressure washer. It's great for projects around the house, like pressure washing your driveway or your siding, or in my case, I'll be using it for washing my car. And I definitely recommend it. It's easy to set up, it's easy to take apart, and it's compact, which makes for easy storage. Alright guys, so that has been my review on the Ryobi electric pressure washer. Hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time.